Ivi album ya Ben Mayengani iphohla. Hello vuxaka na takamara na vito ra mina mina Mandla Gingirikani wa kumashava ni khana amukela swinene ka Nkanelo Gingirikani. Yes, ni khenze swinene ku namuntlha mi hi joinini. Thank you very much for joining me on Nkanelo wa Gingirikani. Mina Legere ke stars tshwelekile nyora. Loko ri mi ngeza subscribe ka channel kumbe mi click subscribe and also hit the notification bell to make sure that loko hi ta show ta hina mi nga sele ndzhaku ka mi nga sele ndzhaku ma titimeli ki yo me qoqotho. Hey, so loko ha yimele album ya Mr Post ivi album ya Ben Mayengani yiphohla. Okay, nte yiphohla ne. The reason ku yiphohla iku ni vone ku postwe what call it, a cover. Ni vone cover I postwe ne producer Ben Mayengani. I think it's Slavo Sikizo. And then 1, 2, 3, Ben Mayengani post the same picture or the same cover, yeah, album, even aku fake. Then everyone was talking about it. Hey, Ben Mayengani will release the album 2020, social love maybe on my Good Friday. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, everyone Ben Mayengani posting the same cover page or cover album. Le I post doing he producer then aku it's fake. And then people were starting to be confused. Even myself, I was like, okay, what's happening? Is Ben Mayengani releasing an album or not? You know, what's happening? Who's fooling who? Who's fooling who, guys? What do you think? Is he releasing an album or not? Or we're just being tricked here? I have questions there. How come the producer posted Ben Mayengani album, page 10, what call it? Game Over. It's called Game Over. The album is called Game Over. And then minutes later, Ben Mayengani says fake. Who's fooling who, guys? You know? And the Pelaman Vaimele album ya Ben Mayengani as well. You know, especially the fact that Mr Post, the rival, is releasing an album this month. So, picture there, profile picture, congratulate Benny, all those things. But Benny saying it's fake. He's saying it's fake news. We are living in the times of fake news, you know. Sometimes fake news is fake news, sometimes fake news is not fake news. So my gut feeling is I feel like album yo portla. Or I don't know, or Benny is doing his marketing strategist things, you know. Benny is a marketing strategist. You know, he's trying to make sure that album is posting at early, you know. You could be doing that. And akuna album ngakumeni indeed. Kula kubayiswa abantu. Kula kubayiswa abantu ku attention isuka from Mr Post. Because ka match musken aka match match yar kona so shila ku vanhu vo email album Mr Post. I was talking very loko Mr Post ala ku humesa album shi dziva ikaendla sweswo swa ku shi humesa risimu before ya humesa album ku shi humesa album yin'wana just to disturb. We know that one. So it's another gimmick yo fana na yona ku ri sweswo akufene ku humesa Mr Post mo hi disturb. That's supposed to be that's straight. Good entertainment, guys. Very good entertainment. Attention if friends kaka Mr Post ya ka Ben Mayengani. And it's easy to say. Ku posta shishimo said fake. Ku beshari kuna posta wa fake. So kuna confusion like what's happening right now. Kuna confusion yaku album impela ile ku na. Na kona loko ke ile ku yi sungura ku tirwa rini like yi nga endliwa in 10 days 5 days we don't know kumshane khale kindly we don't know because after Ben lo kashi trend ka album mgarata la Ben sha poster kashi komba ku this is what's happening so far, you know, and they home right now. We just woke up to a poster saying Ben Mayengani Game Over, page 10 2020. Then later, and then Ben Mayengani says fake. Ha! Who is fooling you, guys? Kunga kuri fake, maybe fake cover page nga ri yona kunga kuri fake kumbe fake mahungu lama mange Ben Mayengani release album in March kumbe Good Friday. Yeah, Good Friday. I feel like album ita home. I feel like I have a feeling that is not fake news. I feel like kuna album lenga kona kumbe kuna EP lenga kona kumbe kuna single tembere kumbe kuna swintswanyana swinharhu leswi nga ta huma kumbe kuna swintswanyana swinharhu I Steve. So I just have a feeling kore hi man, no man, there's no way Benny ta humesa something. Swinga like shinga humesa something kumbe Good Friday kumbe before March hela just to distract attention if any suka kama is the post yaka Ben Mayengani. These two, we know. And people say it's beef. I don't think it's beef. It's just rivalry. There's a huge difference. It's like we compete over two, but it's not beef. They're competing for fans, So, what do you think, guys? Mihleketa ku yini na? Minga hleketa ku impela fake news. Yoku yebeni shurin vele yesh. Kumbe shani hlavu ayobayiza. Kumbe hlava ayobayiza. Kumbe kula ku uma EP lenga ta kai disturba just to disturb Mr. Post as boy bangup, hashtag album to bangup ta Ben Mayengani loko bla bla hi album to bangup ku ya mina tipa pen Nkondo tuba Fire Brigade rangana shisa la ka Fire Brigade yes isako nisitisa ku ya Gingirikani akandengezo go Benny go Benny go nasitoma utalabara na Nkondo tuba but Fire Brigade for me I just felt like Benny was like on fire there, Rangan was on fire there, so I don't know. What do you think, guys? Do you think it's fake news or it's just a distraction? He susa attention ka Mr. Post, he vega ka Ben Mayengani. Huh? What do you think? Tell us. I blame in the answer. He can't eat what the koro man is. Very keep safe there. Menga kumban. So I think, okay, we will just sit on top of this one. He try lagunne hinanguta kurukumela in development thing atwa kona. I used to commission impela fake news fake news na pela shandla kuma fake news mara mina nasto kuma go fake news kuruso swa email album ya Mr. Post kuna album lefene ku yuma Mr. Post vete ta uma in March vete ta bona na in March mara Mr. Post adulang dise ku ta bona in March kahle kahle akuswa last year kumlalela tis adulang ku ta bona in March this year maybe Mr. Post on my Good Friday Mr. Post da postpone the chap postpone swilo sinda duka ankolo tumunhu album mina sinda nga home no mara nitsemba kuta my Good Friday kumbishani end of March phela March ayisiza ihela bakayi bantwana why Mr. Post angasiza humesa March ya har ka March ayisiza humesa menga jai way way ayisiza ihela March har ka March so mina nihleta kule la swinga humesa hi Ben avaku fake news fake news no hleketa maybe hlavu iyo poster le ayifening eyiza ipostiwa. I'm not sure kumbishani the fake thing there kungaba kuri cover page ya yona. What if the fake thing is only the cover mara kuma album yona vele lindleleni alright Steve ijele last kungumhleketsa kuyini. Comment, guys, please do comment. We really like you when you comment. We engage with these things. Don't have to agree on anything. I find that ngifumela ka swin'wana mina phela ni right na ngona mi right hinkwenu ho hleketelela hi le ku hleketeleleni haleni ku swindla album ya Ben Mayengani huma kumbe ku swindla ku huma EP nakona xivutiso lexi mi nga na xona lexi xa ku yi tirhiwe rini album leyi loko ri impela yi ta huma yi tirhiwe na vamani yi tirhiwe rini album leyi guys yi nga va yi tirhiwe in 1 week leyi yo pfa yi byela ku ti-fake news la kumbe yi lo phohla swi la yo phohla. I feel like it was leaked. Thank you very much, guys. Nikensile kwa mijoni hali ka Nkanelo Gingirikani keso swinene nikado ekasdora selekile nyora kome qoqoto dinadora ekasdora selekile nyora mthese ntotora. Salut. Salute. Menga titimel.